Alright, so I'm continuing with my rebuild of my jet ski engine. It's an 800 power valve Yamaha jet ski from 2001. The reed valves were all tore up. The actual reeds were torn up on the original engine. You can see, like right here, the actual lip of the cage gets screwed up, and actually the reed. And then like right here, this was actually one of the cages that was damaged. You can see it just won't make a good seal. And the seal is critical in this because you don't want backflow in your engine. So anyway, basically I need to redo this. I actually ordered another pair of cages off the internet real quick, and you can see this one must have been a little bit damaged too because there's a little crack right there. But basically all you do is you grab your Japanese Phillips. Basically it's a Japanese international standard or industrial, I forget what it is, but anyway, it's the right screwdriver, and you just undo these screws, and they're just, you know, little screws into this rubber kind of molded plastic or metal, I'm not sure what this is, case. Anyway, you undo these and you strip off the reeds. These are the reed sets right here. You strip that off completely, and then this would be like a guard basically that goes like right here, and it keeps the reed from like hyperextending and opening up too much. It just lays against this guard. So anyway, you just undo those screws and pull this all apart. Then you're left with a bare cage like what you see right here. No screws, no guards on it. Then when I purchased my jet ski engine, the builder sent me these Carbon Tech reed valves, CT266HT. And anyway, it's kind of cool. They send it in a CD case that appeals to the 90s kid in me. But anyway, if you take these reed sets, they're apparently carbon fiber. If you take these out, you'll notice that one has like 2 pedals or reeds on it, and one has 4. And per the instructions, it says that the bottom is the 2 pedal or whatever reed, and then the top is the 4 pedal. And so you just need to be careful when you're putting this together that this is how they're arranged on the engine, something like that, and you want the tops and the bottoms to all match. So you just kind of got to test fit it or directly replace what you have. But you'll notice that the ones that I had were all 4 pedal ones, so no big deal. I'm going to get that replaced. So here's the intake side of my new engine that I'm going to be putting in the jet ski, and basically I already have the reeds installed on this one, and that is the orientation right there, so that the 4 is on the top and the 2 is on the bottom. So then what I'll do here is I'll do the exact opposite. I'll put the 4 and the 2 so that both bottoms have 2, both tops have 4. Alright, so I went and got a handy dandy torque screwdriver. However, the torque spec was even a little bit lower than the range of this. It's actually 7 inch-pounds. I set this guy to 10. It's its lowest setting, so I think we're good there. You don't want to over torque these real bad because they will like ripple and not seal well. So we'll just see what we get when we're all said and done. But the fact remains, you're going to want to take your screw and put a little blue Loctite on. Okay, so these cages are now both set up. They both got new reeds in them, and we're ready to rock. I'll have to get those installed soon. Thanks for watching.